After select your image, drag the image until it fits your desired. Place the image where on the placement in the center. Then change the background by double clicking. Click on color overlay. That change to any color you want. Then click on the image layer. By clicking on it, it duplicated using Ctrl J. Then click on your title. Then you can write what you want to put on the layer, on the image. Okay, I've written mine. Can change the color to different colors you prefer. Ctrl T to increase the size of your text. You press alternates, then increase the size of the text. Place the text where you want it to be. After placing the text, then you can press enter. Now bring this text layer down, then duplicate the text layer with Ctrl J. Then carry one of the layer up. Then reduce the fill entirely of the text above the layer. Then enter your stroke. You'll see the stroke has come out. Then you can touch the settings to your desired effects from this box. It may press OK. So that's it. Then hold Control and click on your second text. I link the two together so that they can be one. So now I can move it, the both texts, and the position will still be the same thing. So I hope you have learned these quick Photoshop skills. Let's move on to the next one. After importing your image, you scale it up with Ctrl C, position it well to your desired effect. Then click on your shape tool, just shift and drag your shape tool to your desired effect. Position your shape tool as you want it. Now you're going to send your shape tool to the back after positioning it well. Now you first send it to the back, your shape tool to the back. Then you click on that layer, your picture layer. To remove the background, you click on subjects. You click on subject, select subjects. Then it will remove the background automatically for you. Then click on here, select layer, and the background will remove. Then clip it to your objects. You clip the image. your object, it alternates. Then click on the objects, which sends your picture right inside your shape tool. Can increase the size of the picture, see your desired effect. For me, this is all right. Okay. Question to it, that you will notice that your head is being put out. So to bring it out, you duplicate your image using Ctrl J. After duplicating, they go to your eraser tool. This is where we'll be cleaning the unwanted parts that we don't need. We change it. So it's like cleaning those parts you don't need in the image. And we are done cleaning the parts you don't need. So we'll come up with that is it tips for Photoshop design. Yeah, it can link all your images together so you can move them and position them where you can also change the color of your shape to your desired color. Any color you prefer using, you can change it. This won't affect the picture. When picking the colors, then you say, okay, out of that, you can also change it using gradients. To pick one of the presets of the gradients. Easy. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials about things to learn about design. Thank you for watching. Subscribe and like so you get more tutorials. Thank you very much.